I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Xbox account and confirming the console is online. That avoids lost settings. Once done, press the Xbox button to open the guide and jump straight into Home. You don't need extra menus. Make sure your controller is responsive, because precise D-pad or stick input matters when selecting tiles and moving pins. If an update prompt appears, pause and install it. Otherwise, continue to the personalization area to begin changing the dashboard layout. Next, focus on arranging content. Highlight any home tile and press the menu button to move or remove it. That lets you create a prioritized row of apps and games. Once a spot is free, go to My Games and Apps, locate the app or game, open its menu, and select Pin to Home. This populates the dashboard quickly. For visual consistency, go to Settings, choose Personalization, and pick My Background to change the theme or set a dynamic image that matches your new layout. To finish, return to Home and scan the new layout while launching a few pin tiles to confirm they open correctly. This is where you verify the changes stick. If a change fails to save, perform a hard reboot. Hold the console power for 10 seconds, power back on, and try again. It's the most reliable fix. If you still see profile or tile errors, sign out and sign in, or clear local saved data. That often resolves stale cache, preventing dashboard updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.